Hey, welcome to Tool Spec. So if you're holding the DeWalt batteries and you're looking for a power snow shovel, save your back from shoveling all winter long, well, we can review this one together. That's the MELLIF 40 volt snow shovel. The snow shovel is sponsored by MELLIF, so we can review it and put it through some hard tests. Now let's get started. So first of all, you're going to have the instruction manual. You're going to have your handle, your trigger, the centerpiece, and the shovel itself. Now let's put it together. So you're going to see that there's a couple knobs. The piece of the bar that bends like this actually goes into the snow shovel. There's two grooves to match those knobs. So we're going to put this right in, make sure that this is pushed all the way. Then we're going to bring this piece down and just screw it in. Now we're going to install our trigger. It's going to be the same thing. You're going to see two grooves. And we're going to slide this in. So if this is too close and you cannot see what you're doing, you can move this piece by just twisting it like this to move it away. And this is so that we can install our handle later. Now we want to install our handle, so we're going to move it down. As you can see here, there is multiple grooves all the way around. The handle comes with the knobs to tighten it and the bolt. And to the handle, you're going to see that on each side of it, there is actually an X that sticks out so that you can put it into those grooves at different position depending what you prefer. I think I'm just going to put it up for now. And then we're just going to put our bolt through and tighten this. Don't put it too tight, just tight enough so that it doesn't wiggle out of there. This snow shovel doesn't come with any batteries, so you either have to buy yourself a couple MELLIF battery or use your own DeWalt batteries. For snow shovel, trust me, I would at least use 4 amp hour. More if you have bigger batteries, because I have like a 4-car driveway and usually you'll go through your 4 amp hour battery. Sometimes if the snow is very thick, I even go through a 6 amp hour battery. Snow shovel itself seems pretty solid. There's a 5-year warranty on it for if any manufacturer defect happen and it breaks on you. You have 5 years to get a replacement for it. You just have to contact MELLIF and they'll help you with this. As long as you didn't start bashing it against stuff and it's actually a manufacturer defect, not you smashing the hell out of it. So here's a couple neat features about it. There's the trigger protection here, so you don't activate it by accident. So you push this button down and now you can activate the trigger. It takes 1 battery on each side. This is actually fairly quiet too. Let's hear it. This auger here spin at 1,900 RPM. Now the other cool thing about it is the fins. So you can control the snow. If you're going to blast some snow towards your car or something, then you can just grab the handle here, put it up a little bit just to release the lock mechanism, and now you turn it 30 degrees, it's locked in place, doesn't go nowhere, or 30 degrees the other way, which is a really neat feature if you ask me. Now it seems very tough, like very well built. The plastic don't seem flimsy at all. First impression is this is a nice piece of equipment. I have some brand name snow shovel and they feel pretty much the same as this. Now this is the scraper here. You can unscrew it from the back if you need to. The auger itself seems good. There's actually a metal rod that runs right through as a shaft in the center. Now this is plastic auger, but 99% of the snow shovel out there, a power snow shovel, they're all plastic augers anyway. Now the brushless motor should give you some nice runtime with this machine. The snow shovel itself is not too heavy. It's 14.3 pounds, which is not too bad. Not heavy enough that you even need wheels or on it or nothing like this. But Let's see how it feels at the trigger like this. Yeah, because the thing is, you would be running this against the ground anyway, like this. So, you know, the whole weight of the shovel's against your asphalt driveway or your patio or, you know, whatever you're clearing the snow with. So really, like, all you're supporting is just the shaft when you're using it. Unless you're clearing snow that's way too deep and then you have to grab the shovel and keep lifting it like this. We'll have to test it and try to push this into a hard test and see if we can clear up the snow from the snowplow on the side of the road, or go a little bit into like icy snow or heavy wet snow. We'll see what it can handle.